Every day, nature keeps us alive, even when we forget about it. The air I breathe is a gift. The water I drink is a gift. The land that feeds me is a gift. Yet we treat this gift as if they are endless. We throw trash without thinking. We waste water like it will never run out. We destroy what we cannot replace. But nature not asks for perfection. It asks for respect. I show my love for the environment through my actions. By throwing my trash properly, by reducing plastic use, by saving water and electricity, by keeping my surroundings clean. This action may look small, but they are carry a powerful message that I choose to care. Because protecting nature is not just about trees or ocean. It is about protecting life, our life, and the lives of those who will come after us. The future is not something we wait for. It is something we build with every choice we make today. If we take care of the nature now, nature will take care of us tomorrow. So, I challenge you today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Be mindful of what you consume. Before you buy, before you throw away, think about where it comes from and where it will go. Respect nature. Treat every tree, every river, every animal as something valuable, because once it is gone, we can't bring it back. Speak up when you see environmental harm. Your voice matters. Even one person can inspire many. Join cleanup drives. If you don't see one, start small. Pick up trash in your street. Invite friends. Lead by example. Support eco-friendly habits. Use reusable bags and bottles. Save water. Turn off lights. Reduce plastic. Small changes become powerful when we all do them. Don't wait for someone else to fix the planet. We are that someone, because this earth is not just where we live. It is we live behind. Let's protect it. Let's care for it. Let's choose responsibility over convenience. Let's choose action over excuses. Be the generation that stood up when the planet needed us most.